Welcome to homecolumns.com. Today I'll guide you through the steps of becoming a certified home inspector. Before we start, do you know what is a home inspector certification? You can find our video link on the topic in description below. Now, let's get started and help you become a successful certified home inspector. Step 1. Comply with state regulations. The United States are as different from each other as the East is from the West. When it comes to home inspection, some of them are regulated, and others are not. It is a little harder to become certified in a regulated state than an unregulated one. However, unregulated ones give recommendations on best practices. Consider enrolling yourself with a home inspection training program. Besides, some states require that a prospective home inspection professional should have continuing education. Apart from the NHIE, some states provide their tests. Others add questions to the NHIE to contextualize it, such as Illinois. Some states require that you complete some field-based inspections under the supervision of a licensed home inspector. Others require that you observe a certified inspector doing the job several times. Step 2. Start training. If your state requires you to have a home inspection education, then sign up with a course providing institution. Look up some of the best home inspector training schools. Select one and enroll for the course. Depending on your state, it may be a must to attend an in-person classroom coupled with field training. In others, you can do online classes, which are less of a hassle. In selection of the training school, these are 7 things that you should consider. Reputation, legitimacy, availability, provision of materials, convenience in learning, curriculum content, and cost. Step 3. Study hard. Depending on the school, course, and medium of delivery, the hours you spend learning may vary. Online courses, which are mostly self-paced, lack a definite time of completion. Loosely speaking, a program will take you at least 90 hours to complete. Step 4. Sit for pre-licensing exam. Whenever you're ready, schedule the exam, do it and pass. If the scheduling seems taxing for you, ask your institution to help. Step 5. Check additional requirements. Completing the course and passing the exam are the essential pre-licensing requirements, but not the only ones. I'm sure you know that. Go over the other pre-licensing requirements specific to your state. Step 6. Apply for license. By making a licensing application, you start the certification process. You should know by now that you will certainly fill a form and make some payment. With this step, it is now a matter of time before you get licensed. The license will give you the strong arm you need to establish yourself as a service provider. Remember, make each step as state-specific as you can get. Don't follow Alabamian steps if you're a New Yorker unless you plan to work there. Thank you for watching the step-by-step guide on how to become a successful certified home inspector. Share this video. Like, comment and subscribe. Visit www.homecolumns.com for more insights on home inspection. Stay safe and healthy. See you soon.